You down with ACV? For high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high triglycerides, this might be the ticket, and you should be saying, yeah, you know me. Hey, it's Dr. Living Good, and we're talking apple cider vinegar today. Organic with the mother. What's the mother? The mother is the stuff that floats around in there that harvests good bacteria and probiotics, but little secret ingredient in here that could be the difference for you lowering your blood pressure, lowering your triglyceride levels, or your cholesterol, let alone blood sugar and waist circumference. My goodness, this is like anti-metabolic syndrome because that's what all of those conditions are. So let's talk, and then I'm gonna give you 1, 2, 3 recipes on what you can do to get this in your system. Now, if you're struggling with heart issues, your blood pressure is up, your cholesterol is up, your triglycerides are up, apple cider vinegar contains a lot of acetic acid. A large study was done, PubMed research, showing that acetic acid intake of 15 milliliters to 30 milliliters on a daily basis actually significantly lowered blood pressure issues, triglycerides, and high cholesterol. Whoa. At the same time, it took weight off mid-waist weight line, it burned up visceral fat, which is the toxic fat around your organs, and it lowered blood sugar better than metformin. That's ridiculous, but a lot of drug companies can't sell this stuff and they can't patent it, but you can utilize it. Now, I would recommend not just taking it straight up. Sometimes it can be, a little harsh on the system because it's so acidic. A little harsh on the enamel of the teeth, but a couple of cheats of ways that you could get this in. So a couple tablespoons, you'll get used to kind of how much that is in the glass that you use it in, is what you're looking for just on a daily basis, once, maybe twice a day. As everything, I would cycle on and off something. I would never consistently take it just day in, day out forever. But this is a really strong one that the research shows you should be getting in, especially if you're dealing with heart issues on top of it. So just straight up, you can do it. Just dilute it with water. It's not too bad. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. Some people kind of enjoy it, but you can just do that straight up, mix it in, 1 part apple cider vinegar, 8 parts water. That's a pretty good formula for it. The second one you can do, we're still going to be adding water to all of these, but you can add in the greens powder. And so my greens powder is naturally sweetened with stevia, and it contains 54 different nutrients, which makes it a good acidic apple cider vinegar neutralizer. So you could just toss a scoop of this in. So now, not only are you getting all those amazing benefits of acetic acid that's found in apple cider vinegar, but you are loading up on anti-inflammatory. So you could just mix that in. It's got probiotics in it. It's got enzymes in it to help out your stomach. It's got a ton of anti-inflammatories like milk thistle, which is going to detox your liver, like turmeric, which is going to be a powerful anti-inflammatory. A lot of people know that one. Put the greens in there. Or the other option I use is my version of a healthy Tang. Do you remember Tang as a kid? Vitamin C powder, this stuff, high dose vitamin C. It also comes with bioflavonoids like quercetin, hesperidin, and so those are really, really good antioxidants, but this makes that apple cider vinegar taste more like Tang or a little more like a lemonade, and it sweetens it up just a touch because it has some stevia in there and helps to take the edge off of that apple cider vinegar. Those are 3 recipes that I use regularly. Over ice is really good for these 2, or you can just take it straight up. But this is going to help repair the DNA. It's going to help protect those important bio and phytochemicals inside of your body that are protecting your insides, as well as helping you get solutions to lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your triglycerides, take weight off the midline of your waist, as well as lower your blood sugar. So it's something you would strongly consider. So easy to use. If you're not loving the taste, then try to get it in with your greens or your vitamin C powder. There's your big tip today on how to control and have real good heart health, let alone experiencing real health. I'll see you real soon. I'm down with ACV. Check out the videos next to me. They're exactly what you need as next steps to experience real health. If it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button. Be a part of the Dr. Living Good community as we all get healthy together. I also give free guides, free links and resources, links to our web classes, a lot of resources to help guide you along this journey to help you experience real health. See you again soon.